Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Expedia account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type Expedia.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Expedia homepage to load completely. Look at the top right corner of the page for the sign-in option. Click or tap Sign In to open the login menu. Select Sign In from the drop-down if you see multiple account options. Choose the method you use to create your account, such as email or Google or Apple. If you are signing in with email, click the email field. Type the email address connected to your Expedia account. Click the password field to continue. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you can enable Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a shared device, leave Remember Me turned off for better security. Click or tap the Sign In button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while Expedia verifies your information. If you see an error, recheck your email and password for typos. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your account email and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Open your email app or mailbox in a new tab and find the Expedia reset message. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Return to Expedia and sign in again using your updated password. If you use Google, choose Continue with Google and select the correct Google account. If you use Apple, choose Continue with Apple and complete Face ID, Touch ID, or password verification. On the Expedia mobile app, open the app and tap Sign In from the home screen. Allow any requested permissions only if you are comfortable and they are necessary. After signing in, confirm you see your name or account icon at the top of the screen. Go to Trips or Account to verify your bookings and profile details are accessible. If you still cannot sign in, try clearing your browser cache or updating the app and retry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.